The Vortex Viper PST Gen 2 1:6 focal plane LPVO might be getting a little bit long in the tooth, but rest assured those teeth are still quite sharp. This thing still punches with the best. At around $500 you could find these typically with a mount or low to mid 400s without, which is quite impressive. These things are made in the Philippines, and the only real con to talk about is the weight. At around 22 ounces, these things are a little bit on the chunky side. Also, the reticle might not be up to par with some of the more modern stuff that really incorporates a lot new technologies and just a lot more streamlining to fit a broader range of people's wants and needs. Everything else that there is to talk about with this scope is a pro. From the illumination on the reticle, to the overall brightness, sharpness, and clarity of the glass, to the forgiving eye box. And again, the same can be said for all the touch points. Your illumination control, your turrets, your magnification lever, everything is excellent. It might not be Razor HD levels of good, but it also doesn't cost as much either. Also, don't forget that sweet Vortex warranty. I would recommend this to any caliber of shooter as long as you don't mind the weight.